This is a simple video to help you understand how do you make a histogram using Minitab and how do you make inference out of the same. If you see, I have picked up data from a shoe manufacturing organization, and they have here in C10 assimilated the number of issues that they've identified during their internal quality control checks. I would want to understand the distribution of my total issues. I go to graph, I go to histogram. Click. You can choose simple or with the normal distribution fit. I am going with the normal with fit option. I click this, press OK, and I choose a variable that I would want to study. C10, total issue is what I would want to study. Press OK. If you see here, you get a histogram. You would already know that histogram, the length of the histogram, this bar, depicts the frequency or number of data items being present in this particular bin, this range. This range is referred to as bin for a histogram, and the height of the bar depicts the frequency of data in that particular bin. Let me click that for you. It says bar value 15, bin 8.75, 11.25. So this range they've picked up is from 8.75 issues to 11.25 issues. How many instances do we have? 15. Similarly, if I were to touch another bin, it says bar value is 5. So I have 5 occurrences of events between 13.75 to 16.25. Also, histogram is very handy in helping you understand the distribution of your data. It tells you that right from here to here is where your defect counts or your total issues in this case have moved. The bar depicting the frequency, you can understand the spread of your data, you can understand the shape of your data, and you can identify what particular bin do you have higher frequency of occurrence. Should you want to add more information, you have, when you right click, let me do that again for you. When you right click, it gives you the option of add. Can you see here? You can go ahead and add the reference line. Let's say you have a target. You have a target of not doing greater than 15 defects. So I would want to add a reference line on what? On your y-axis, which is this one? No, I would be interested in doing it for my x-axis. So I would want to put a reference line at 15. Press OK. Here you go. It has created for you a reference line of 15, which, being an old schooler, I would want to change the color of. I would change this to 2, and just to make it a little more visible, I'll change it to 2. I've chosen red. So every data item going beyond this 15 is not acceptable to you as a business. Right click, the add option. Add option can give you several other things like data labels. If I click this, it gives me numbers here, and several other options are possible using Minitab. I hope this simple video helps you understand how do you create a histogram using Minitab. But you must explore the Minitab further because it is capable of giving you very different kinds of things. It can display data, it can do several kinds of things which I am not delving deeper in this video, which maybe I will take up in one of my future videos. I hope this simple video on histogram helps.